have our pasta in our skillet. Now I'm gonna come in with my favorite sauce, the Prego, no sugar added. Trying to watch my sugar, so I'm just, cutting back where I can. This Prego sauce actually tastes really good even without the sugar added. Just go ahead and get that whole jar right on top of our pasta. Oh yes, it's gonna be good. Now for some freshness, I have some Italian parsley that we're just gonna chop right in there. Just get a nice little green into our dish. This is gonna be so delicious, just an easy, quick Italian dinner. Just throw it together on a weekday, dinner when you don't feel like staying in the kitchen for too long. Oh my goodness, this looks beautiful. All right, I'm gonna grab my spatula and we're just gonna kind of spread that sauce and that parsley all around our pasta. This is gonna be so delicious. I'm so excited. All right, now we're coming in with our protein. I'm using these frozen meatballs, Italian style, of course. You can use ground beef or some ground chicken, ground turkey, but I really wanted the meatballs today. I already had these in my freezer, so this is gonna be the perfect protein choice. Beautiful, I used about half of that bag. Go ahead and just get these nice and spread it out. All right. Now I like my pastas extra creamy, so I went ahead and grabbed this ricotta. It's the whole milk ricotta, and we're just gonna put a little bit of ricotta right into our pasta. I'm using my scooper, and we're just gonna scoop that ricotta just right next to those meatballs. It's just gonna melt right into our pasta and be so delicious. Oh my goodness, look how good this looks already. I wish I could eat it right now, but you know what? I will cook it up first. Just kidding. Okay, just add as much ricotta as you like. Do as little or as much. I really want this to be creamy, so I'm gonna use about half of this container.
Oh, I think you should do one right in the middle there.
Ooh, okay.
I like ricotta too.
Right there?
Yep.
Beautiful.
Ooh.
All right, now for seasoning, I'm gonna come in with my garlic salt. You can use regular salt if you don't like garlic, or you can use garlic powder if you don't want too much sodium, but I love salt and garlic. Beautiful. Of course, we need some black pepper. Just a nice, oh, that came out way too much, that's fine. Okay, that part can be for Danny. All right, now we're gonna do some Italian seasoning because this is an Italian dish. And we'll just sprinkle that right in there. Beautiful. All right, so we do need a little bit more liquid in this for the pasta to cook. So I went ahead and added some water to my Prego jar, and I'm gonna go ahead and put that lid on and give it a good shake. Because not only will this give us some good water for our dish, but it also will make sure to get all of that pasta sauce so we don't waste any of that pasta sauce that was left in the jar. And now we're just gonna pour that on the sides of our skillet. Nice and easy. This is about half a jar of water that we're adding. Beautiful, and it doesn't ruin that ricotta. All right, of course, we need to add some extra cheese. I have this delicious Italian blend cheese that we're just gonna sprinkle right on top, and then this is gonna be ready for the oven. Oh my, this looks so good. Whew, the meatballs, the pasta, the ricotta. I cannot wait. Beautiful. All right, my oven is set to 350, and this is gonna cook for 45 minutes. Look at that. Oh, it smells so good, you guys. Okay, so now it's time to give this a big mix, get all of that ricotta blended in. Oh, get everything covered. Those noodles are perfectly cooked. Look how they just got nice and juicy for us. Oh my gosh, that cheese in there. This is gonna be the best pasta you've ever had. Gorgeous. Woo, okay, time to try this. Let's get a big scoop. Oh, with all that ricotta and the cheese. That's pasta, people. All right, let's give this a try. Oh, looks so good. Perfect.